We are removing a jet ski today. Holy schmoly, let's check it out. We're gonna rig it. So our whole idea is to pull it out first. And a gun like this. All right, we're pulling out a jet ski right now. Customers from Lewisville, Texas, called us out to remove this jet ski. So let's see if we can do it. All right, we're all on video doing this, so we got to do it now.
Better not end up on the end.
All right. We lift it. While we're lifting it, we shove it up. Okay. All we got. This way. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. JunkGuysdfw. Boom, jet ski. Sea-Doo jet ski. We strapped it down. Listen, I didn't need any help. I did it by myself, right? What are y'all laughing about? Okay, so this stud 1, stud 2 came out to help us out. And what happened was we pulled it out of that hole right there, managed to drag it all the way up here. Then we had it stationary here. The idea was to lift it and put it on the trailer. It actually worked. There it is, guys. Now, I owe it to these two guys. Y'all helped me out. Thank you guys very much. We each got, 2 guys got on this side, 2 guys got on the other side, and then we just pushed it up and bam-o, there it is. Now, for not to slide down on the highway, we got some straps on here, some really good straps. We strapped it up, boom, boom, and there it is. And it's not in bad condition. Well, the Sea-Doo sucks, right? But the trailer's in good condition. If I would have known, I would have just brought the truck and then strapped the truck to the hitch, because the hitch is pretty good, but they don't have keys to the hitch, right? We got this bad boy here, which protected. Were y'all protecting it from some thieves? Yeah? Damn it. What? Okay. You should keep it. It's not a bad lock. Oh my gosh, it is.
Just gotta let
that
it
is crazy.
There we go.
That is crazy. It actually works. Well, 6 years later. Somebody's responsible.
Do you need one?
It's up to you if you want to give it to me. I'll use it for another trailer.
Yeah, we don't need it.
Okay. Yeah, we'll just throw it back there. That is pretty cool. They should have the key for it. Yeah, I know, but I'm like 6 years later. Thanks, man.
You got it.
Appreciate that. We'll keep that. We'll put it on one of our other trailers. How does it feel? Yeah? You want to get up there and push it?
Oh, he is gonna ride it.
We're
I ain't gonna ride it to you.
good. Pretty good, right? Not bad. Mission accompli. Yo, it's moving smooth. What a smooth little job. Very, very easy. So I'm gonna hit them for $300 on the jet ski removal, and we're gonna head out of here, guys. But that is one jet ski that we managed to pry up on the trailer. That's what it looks like right there. Check it out. Not so bad, huh? That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
pretty good, right?
Oh,
Not bad. Look at that bad boy. Right up there, man. All right, let's head out. Talk to you in a few minutes, guys.